with a target of 1.6 million, we are already currently up to 1,583,097. Fall short of about just 40 to 50,000. And we assure that we do not deny enrollments, especially at this season until July 30. So they can always catch up. No, classes have been there because classes were rolling as expected because our teachers also underwent a capacity building. No, that teachers upskilling and reskilling happened in the whole month of May. No, done by the central office, by the regional office, and the division office, because all these levels of governance did the capacity building, especially na nag-revise ta sa atong curriculum for grade 6, 9, and 10. No? So the revisions of the curriculum had also a component on teacher training, and that was done already to ensure that our teachers are ready for the implementation during the opening of classes and beyond.